Ever wonder why, no matter how many budgeting apps you try, you still feel broke? You've got spreadsheets, color-coded categories, and a dozen notifications, but somehow, your bank balance still gives you anxiety. It's like running on a treadmill that never moves. Forward. You've been told, just make a budget and stick to it. Sounds simple, right? But somehow, every month ends the same. Your paycheck disappears faster than your weekend. You cut coffee, skip nights out, even try meal prepping. But your wallet still feels empty. Society told us budgeting equals control. But really, it's like dieting on lettuce. It works for a week, then you crash hard. You don't need more discipline. You need a system that actually fits your life. Because the truth is, the problem isn't you. It's how we've been taught to budget. What if I told you most budgets are designed to fail, and it's not your fault? Keep budgeting the wrong way, and you'll stay stuck in the same loop: stress, guilt, and zero progress. But that changes today, because we're about to break that cycle, starting right now. Hey, I'm John. Welcome to Cash Plan with John, where we talk money without the BS. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Every week, we drop practical money tips made simple. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do what fits your situation. In this video, we'll break down why most people fail at budgeting and the smarter, stress-free way to take control of your money without giving up the things you love. Grab your coffee. This one might just change the way you think about money forever. Most budgets fail because they're built on guilt, not goals. It's like punishing yourself every time you swipe your card. But money should be about freedom, not feeling bad for buying a damn latte. About 65% of Americans say they follow a budget, but over 75% still live paycheck to paycheck. So it's not that people don't plan, it's that they're planning wrong. We're chasing numbers, not meaning. Imagine knowing exactly where your money goes. No guessing, no guilt. You could actually spend on what matters most to you and still feel in control. That's real financial confidence. The old system says, don't spend on coffee. The new system says, spend with purpose. If it fuels your goals, it belongs in your plan. Because as Joe Biden said, show me your budget and I'll tell you what you value. Here's the truth. Your budget should reflect you, not some spreadsheet rules. When you know what truly matters, like freedom, family, growth, or travel, your money finally starts making sense. It's not about cutting. It's about choosing what actually adds value to your life. Studies show people who align their budgets with their values are twice as likely to stick to them. Why? Because it's personal. When your budget funds what you actually care about, you don't feel restricted, you feel empowered. Imagine this: you're traveling, hitting the gym, building your side hustle, and still saving money. That's not luck, that's alignment. Your spending finally matches the life you want to live. Don't copy someone else's minimalist TikTok budget. That's their life, not yours. Build a plan that's designed around what you love and why you work for it. Bro, stop saving what's left after your bills. Flip it. You gotta pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer the moment your paycheck hits. You're not losing money. You're just making future you richer. Just 10% set aside automatically can stack up to 6 figures in time. Man, think about that. Your future account growing while you're out living life. That's real financial power without feeling broke. Picture this: you log into your account, and your savings are already growing without you lifting a finger. That's not sacrifice. That's freedom. You're building peace of mind while living fully. Don't wait till the end of the month to save. There's never anything left. Automate it so it's gone before temptation even hits. Remember Buffett's rule: spend what's left after saving. All right, let's make money management stupid simple. The 70/20/10 rule. It's not about tracking every coffee or snack. It's about having a clear, easy plan you can actually stick to. Here's how it breaks down: to 70% goes to living expenses, the stuff that keeps your life moving. 20% is for goals, savings, investing, the future you're building. And 10%? That's your fun fund, guilt-free spending that keeps you sane. Studies show that people who use simple percentage systems stick to their goals 30% longer. Why? Because it's not about perfection. It's about consistency. You don't need to track every penny to win. With this system, you'll finally have guilt-free spending money and structure that feels flexible, not suffocating. Stop trying to track every cent. That's burnout waiting to happen. Remember, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Let's make your money work on autopilot. The less effort you need, the more consistent you'll be. Set up auto transfers for bills, savings, and debt so everything runs smoothly without you lifting a finger. Studies show people who automate their finances stay consistent over 80% of the time. That's because they remove emotion and decision fatigue. You're not guessing, your system does the heavy lifting. Imagine this: payday hits, and without you touching a thing, your bills, savings, and fun money all move where they need to. You just watch your system do the work while you live your life. Manual tracking might feel like control, until life gets busy and you fall behind. Let technology handle the boring stuff so you can focus on what really matters. Like James Clear says, systems beat motivation every time. Look, man, you can't live a life that's all bills and no chill. You've got to have a fun fund. It's money you set aside just to enjoy, guilt-free. Most people quit budgeting because it feels like punishment. But when you've got money set aside just to live a little, it actually keeps you on track longer. Picture this: you buy concert tickets or take that weekend trip, and you don't even flinch checking your bank app. That's what financial peace actually feels like. So stop cutting all the fun out of your life. That's how you burn out. This isn't punishment. It's a lifestyle. Remember, balance isn't found, it's created. Your budget isn't a prison. It's a living thing every month. Check in to see what's working and what's not. It's not about judging yourself. It's about learning and adjusting. Studies show people who review their budget monthly are 40% more successful with money. Why? Because they stay aware and in control, instead of running on autopilot. Think of it like giving your finances a tune-up. Small tweaks each month keep everything running smooth, just like keeping your car road trip ready. So don't call it a boring budget meeting. Make it a chill money check-in. Grab your coffee, throw on your favorite playlist, and make it something you actually look forward to. We just broke down why traditional budgets fail and how to build one that actually fits your life. Focus on values, not guilt. Pay yourself first. Keep it simple and automatic. Make room for joy. You don't need to be perfect with money, just intentional. If this video helped you see budgeting differently, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this. Tell me in the comments, what's one thing you'll start doing differently after today's video? This is John from Cash Plan with John. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Take care of your money, and it'll take care of your future.